Wanted to swap faces with your favorite character? JoggAI's Face Swap turns that what if into 10-second magic. Let me show you how, no tech skills needed. First, open the JoggAI, and once you're in, look for the Face Swap and you're ready to start. JoggAI keeps it simple with 2 easy steps. First, pick your target image or video you want to use as a template, then upload your photo as the face reference. That's all there is to it. A little pro tip for you, use a photo where your face is well lit and not covered by glasses or hats. That way, the swap looks extra natural. Tap the Face Swap button, show a loading bar, then the final Face Swap result pops up. And that's it! You just turned yourself into a movie star in under a minute. Beyond photo swaps, you can swap videos too. Ready to try? Open JoggAI now, find Face Swap, and let your inner star shine.